In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Bluetooth headset to your Android phone. It's a complete tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Android phone that you have, especially with any Bluetooth headset. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly swipe up on the top, and then you're going to see settings as one of the options. Then go over to connections. Then go over to Bluetooth, just make sure the Bluetooth toggle is on, then click the text where it says Bluetooth. Now, once you're at this point, what you want to do is put your Bluetooth headset into pairing mode. It has to be in pairing mode for it to appear over here. And whenever you go on this Bluetooth menu, your Android is automatically going to be searching for different available devices. But if it doesn't find it, make sure that your Bluetooth headset is in pairing mode and then click scan on the top right. And then it's going to be looking for that headset. Once you see the name of the headset under available devices, click on it and then it's going to sync and pair for you. Then you're going to be able to use your Bluetooth headset with your Android phone. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.